5 common beginner gardening mistakes and how to avoid them. 1. Improper watering, overwatering or underwatering. Many new gardeners struggle to find the right balance. Too much water can cause root rot, while too little can stress or kill young plants. Learn to gauge your garden's specific watering needs and adjust for weather, soil type, and plant variety. 2. Misjudging sun exposure. Assuming an area gets enough sun without properly tracking it is a frequent oversight. Plants have specific light requirements, and choosing a spot without accurate sun exposure can stunt growth. Use a sunlight tracking method to ensure the chosen area meets your plant's needs. 3. Skipping soil testing. Healthy soil is the foundation of a thriving garden bed. Without testing, you're essentially guessing at nutrient levels and pH balance. A laboratory soil test reveals deficiencies or imbalances, allowing you to make informed decisions about amendments. 4. Ignoring soil structure and drainage. Even nutrient-rich soil can be problematic if it doesn't drain well. Heavy clay or compacted soils can suffocate roots and retain too much water. Amending your soil can dramatically improve plant health. 5. Choosing the wrong plants for your conditions. Selecting plants based solely on appearance, without considering your local climate, soil type, or available sunlight, can lead to frustration. Choose varieties that are well suited to your region and garden environment for the best chance of success.
If you found this video helpful, just imagine what you can achieve with the full course. The Beginner's Blueprint, Top 10 Essential Steps to Create a Thriving Garden Bed from Day 1, takes everything you learned here and goes deeper, guiding you step by step. What are you waiting for? Enroll in the course today and start building the garden you have always dreamed of, the right way, from day 1. Click the link in the description box below to access the course.